What's up, guys? Happy Easter. We are on our way to Panorama City. I'm gonna leave the city down here. We are in the car.
And we are currently with a friend.
My sister, my mom are here. Mateo, my niece. And today's OTTD of the day is this shirt.
White maroon Adidas.
I got this at this store named Pajarito in Woodland Hills, and I actually love it. Now go. And today's plans are, what are today's plans?
I don't know what are today's plans.
We are gonna go have a barbecue at a park with the family. So let's see how that goes. And I'm liking like a simple makeup today. It's like not. And Iker is not with us. He is with his dad at the soccer park. Rico, suave.
You love me? Yeah? I love you. Hey.
So, we'll see you guys when we get to Walmart. And today's plans are, what are today's plans?
I don't know what are today's plans.
We are gonna go have a barbecue at a park with the family. So let's see how that goes. And I'm liking like a simple makeup today. It's like not. And Iker is not with us. He is with his dad at the soccer park. Rico, suave.
You love me? Yeah? I love you. Hey.
So
Hi.
we'll see you guys when we get to
¿No estás guapo? Ah, ok. ¿Qué feo estás? No.
How are you feeling about your first Easter, Mateo? Are you excited? No? Are you happy? Are you happy? No? Are you mad? How do you feel today? Okay, I guess everything is no. No? Okay. Tell them. I'll see you guys when we get to the mall. You have to be nice to our vloggers because you have to be nice to our fam. What are we gonna name them? What are we gonna name you guys? If you guys have ideas of if you guys have ideas of what we should name you guys, I should call you guys Amores. Since I love the song, I'm gonna start playing. Because we are Mexico. Okay, so if you guys have ideas of what we should name you guys, leave them down in the comments. When are we gonna post this vlog? I'm gonna try to do my best to edit it tomorrow. Hopefully it's up by tomorrow night, so you guys stay tuned. Let's see. Alright guys, so we are at Walmart. We're looking for Easter eggs, but I guess there's none. So yeah. We are waiting. Carter's. And we are currently shopping for the kids.
Oh, I didn't buy one of what I bought.
A couple outfits. And we are with Xiomara, my mom, and my
The blue one too?
sister. She's here. Mom, sister, me, and Mateo. Mateo.
Este es feliz comiendo sus papacitos.
We're gonna go get food after. Guys, we're hungry. We haven't eaten breakfast.
We just ate a french
We only
fries.
had coffee. We're gonna do a theme for this. Okay, guys. We're now eating. Happy, satisfied. We are now gonna head to, I believe, the store to get some stuff for the barbecue. And then we're gonna head home to cook and do a little bit of ramen change. We're wearing a black dress. I don't know, I'm gonna show you guys up there. Te voy a cuidar hasta mi vida, hasta que la muerte un día nos separe. Yo voy a ser tuyo, tú mía.
Yo ni quiero que llegue el sol.
Que hubiéramos hecho la carne.
Well, why you guys do that? I could just like, go see it.
So now we are looking for the egg.
I'm done. I ain't doing this.
Deacon, how many did you get?
Yeah.
Let me see.
No,
Can I see?
no,
You got a lot?
no,
Muchos?
no.
¿Cuántos agarraste tú?
Muchos.
Oh my
dile.
God. Oh my God. Hasta botándolos ando.
So this is our family Sunday Easter barbecue we had earlier. I'll be showing you the buffet upstairs in a little bit. So, what's up, guys? This is Maria with another vlog. I'm gonna be adding this into my Easter vlog so you guys can see what we did for Easter. Let me show you guys the view of my hike. It's beautiful, like the beautifulest thing ever. I'm kind of late on this vlog, like starting the vlog. I honestly look horrible. I'm like out of breath, but look at my view. I'm actually trying out the iPhone 7 Plus. I'm happy because I finally got it. And it has beautiful camera. Like, it's beautiful. My mom, my sister are actually in the background. So if you guys see them back there, let me know. They're actually coming right there. This view is really beautiful. Look at we have the sunset, very amazing. Let me show you guys a little bit lower. Let me get down here and show you guys. There's the houses and the sunset and like the underground back there. My mom, my sister are like behind me somewhere. Oh, mall right there. So yeah, it looks very lonely, but you see people hiking here. Not very often. I haven't came here. Well, again.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, so we're not gonna go down there? I wanted to go get water. What's up, guys? Maria here, and Xiomara with her shenanigans back there. We are actually on a hike in Studio City. I'm gonna find out what this place is called and put it in the description. And if you guys want to join us on these hikes, I'm gonna leave my Instagram below or up here, so you guys can DM me or send me a Snapchat or whatever. So I'm gonna leave all that up here, so you guys can check that out and come on a small hike. We came like what time? 5, 6 something, and it's now like what time? 7ish. It's a beautiful time to come hiking. Actually, it's a very fresh.
It's
We actually,
guys.
we actually hiked up here for like an hour. It's pretty good timing. So yeah, we're gonna vlog the way back down.
And I vlogged the way coming up.
And she vlogged on the way up, but I vlogged like halfway when I was already up here. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for the vlog, and we're gonna pair this up with the Easter vlog. Well, I have some of our Easter vlogs, so we'll probably put it together or we'll figure it out. So see you guys down there. We are now on our way to the bottom of this hike, and we're actually pretty tired. You know, these people's shenanigans. So what do you want to say to the vlog?
It's cold.
It is cold.
I'm gonna get my phone tomorrow, guys. Then y'all will know.
Yeah, she will be getting her.
My phone and then put us in rose gold, but she took it because.
Honestly, both sisters have it. I got it because I was gonna get a gold, but they didn't have it, so I was like, okay. And then they had a silver.
They have rose gold, matte black, and
They had a silver with the white screen, but they didn't have it in stock. We're gonna have it, I believe, till next week. I had to get the rose gold. So let me keep showing you guys our evening adventure. My eyes are like so watery. Okay. We're gonna pair this. This is such a cute puppy. Okay. The next person we see, we're gonna tell them to say hi to our vlog. Say hi to our vlog. We are vlogging our way down.
I'll be laughing when you drop your phone.
That's why I'm holding it right. My sister's there. My grandma is there.
Get ready to say hi. Your grandma? Your grandma.
Our mom.
You said our grandma too.
And mom are down there. You gonna say what? You gonna tell who to say hi?
No.
Ay, ya mero me caía. There's like so many freaking rocks here. No. You're fucking stupid.
I love how you just
I was like,
and instead of freaking, yeah, and then you still.
she wants to kill herself, guys.
Yeah, you still fucking show them.
Okay, why yes.
Like,
Alright.
trying to don't hit those dots. Okay, guys.
How do we look after this hike? How do you feel? Tired? You still have to go home and do homework?
Yep.
Alright guys, so now we are hiking down. We're like barely here. And we're kind of tired. I'm not gonna lie. Come on, shenanigans. And my mom and my sister are like already in the bottom. Well, halfway. They're like barely halfway down there. So yeah, like I was saying earlier, if you guys want to join us on our hike, I will be leaving my Snapchat up here, my Instagram. Join this trail. We started hiking like at 6:30.
Yep.
Like 6:30ish. And it's now like 7:38 almost. So you guys can come either with us or Alright guys, so we made it down and we're like halfway down to our car already, so that's our car station. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we get into the coche. How do you feel, guys? Tired? Good? But yeah, I'm gonna send you guys money. I'm gonna leave our Snapchat, Instagram here, both of us, and then you guys can send us DMs or Snapchats if you guys want to come hiking with us. So yeah.